What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Jasmine.
I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Alright, you guys, so today we're gonna be cleaning my ear piercing. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my step. So I'm gonna be using Morton's natural sea salts. I've already put that in my SpongeBob cup with distilled water. So what I use, I get a gallon and a tablespoon of this, and I pour a tablespoon of sea salt into the gallon of water, and then I shake it, and then that should be good for as long as you need it for, because you're not gonna use a whole gallon for one little person. But yeah, so got my little SpongeBob cup. I also got these Q-tips, these pink Q-tips, just to clean around. So take one on, dip it in the water. Dip, 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 dip. All right, all saturated, and just clean around. So I've cleaned the outside. Now I'm gonna do the same thing, but to the back. So same thing, dip, 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 and clean the back. So now I'm gonna take a dry one and clean around the front and the back. Ooh. This is how I clean my Tragus piercing. Yeah, it's clean. This earring has fell out a few times because I don't have a back to it. So I need to go ahead and find a new earring, or a new earring with a flat back, to where I don't have to keep taking it out, and then I don't have to put something in the back of it. I can just twist it in the front. I bought this thinking it was gonna fit. I don't think it's going to fit though. And it screws off in the front. Like, hold on, I can show y'all right now. Like, ooh, see? Yeah, so this is what it looks like when it's taken out. And then you just push it back in. And you just want to feel for the back too. It hurts. All right, so yeah, I just felt for the back and it's in. But yeah, y'all, so that's the end of this video. Cleaning my Tragus piercing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, because your girl is going up. But yeah, y'all, I love you all. Make sure you guys stay blessed. And your girl is out. And I'll catch you on the next one. Love you. Peace.